This is a 4-bedroom, 3 and 1/2 bathroom house with a casita. There will be a total of 25 homes built at Bella Vista Estates community in Corona, California, and will feature lot sizes averaging 20,000 square feet. Hi, Suzy Valentin, Realtor with Century 21 Now Realty. Today we're visiting Corona, California, looking at this beautiful model home by Griffin Residential. It's a beautiful 1-story model home located in Corona, California. Come join me in this beautiful house tour. Today we are viewing a 1-story model home by Griffin Residential with optional builder upgrades. It measures approximately 3,315 square feet with an open floor plan. The spacious living room, also known as the great room, has an elegant fireplace, high ceilings, and views to the backyard. The dining area is conveniently situated by the kitchen and the backyard, which would be perfect for entertaining guests for parties and barbecues. The kitchen is centrally located and puts you in the middle of entertaining your guests. The kitchen nook is bright and perfect for casual dining. Right off the side is an open office area with windows and ceiling fan. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. The large gourmet chef's kitchen has sleek countertops, beautiful cabinets, and stainless steel appliances, such as microwave, oven, stove, and dishwasher. It also features gorgeous backsplash, under cabinet lighting, and a center island, which is excellent when you just want a quick bite to eat. Next to the kitchen was a prep kitchen, which can be used for parties or anytime you want to keep your main one sparkling clean. The walk-in pantry looks nice and has lots of shelving. Beside that is a storage area as well as direct garage access. The laundry room has plenty of cabinets, a utility sink, washer-dryer hookups, and a folding area. The builder has added a tranquil outdoor living area with a cozy fireplace on this model home. The backyard is spacious. It almost feels like your own private sanctuary. The optional casita is featured as a game room, but the builder also has it as a 5th bedroom feature as well. The casita has a kitchenette area. It also has a bathroom with shower. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like. It helps our channel and we really appreciate it. This gorgeous new home is truly an entertainer's delight. The master bedroom suite is large, grand, and features a stunning fireplace. It also has an attached ensuite master bathroom. The master bathroom is one of the most beautiful I've seen. It has dual sinks, a soaking tub, and a gorgeous shower. The large walk-in closet is ready for you to fill top to bottom. There is also a private water closet and a vanity area. The home also features custom two-tone paint and a 3-car garage. Down the hall is the powder room, which features a cabinet with sink and toilet. The second bedroom has carpet, window, a closet, and joins the shared guest bathroom. It has dual sinks and a private water closet, with a full-size shower in the bathtub. The third bedroom has carpet and windows with a walk-in closet. The home has a whole house recessed fire sprinkler system as well. The fourth bedroom wasn't captured in video. It has a walk-in closet and an attached ensuite bathroom. That kitchen was beautiful. What did you think? Please comment below. If you're interested in purchasing a home in Corona, California or surrounding areas, please give me a call. I'd be honored to help you find the home of your dreams. Suzy Valentin, 951-907-4020. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next video.